1724. Brisker trying to repair a Thule cargo box over there. It has a crack. And so what we plan to do is we went to YouTube and people say to use ABS plastic melted with acetone. And then there's some ratio this and some ratio that, but pretty much I just put that. I got some ABS like this. I cut it to little small pieces, kind of like spaghetti right here. Just as low it can fit into the jar. This is a salsa can here. And then I poured in the acetone until it covers it up. You can see that. I used them already. And then after that, I just put the lid on. And I would say I just wait like, tight to this lid. I would just wait like 1 day or so as it starts melting. I get a popsicle stick, I feel it, or I just get a twig and feel it. If it's soft, it's ready to go. You can just look at it. And once it's soft, then you just take your popsicle stick, go smush or squish, and then I clean that area. This is my crack here. I cleaned it with some Windex, and then I just smothered it on a few layers at a time and let it dry and do another layer. And then you can see a little bit ooze out on this side, but yeah, it's working good. Well, it looks good. Hopefully it'll pass the time. I'm going to try to smother a lot more, and so then I might put some epoxy over it. I just don't know how the epoxy adheres to this. I guess if this is ABS and that's ABS, then maybe they'll stretch together in the sun. Who knows? But there's so many different ways people use fiberglass. There's an array of people who's telling you what to do on fixing a cargo box. I don't know. Mine's not that bad. Mine's a little cracked, so I guess depending on my situation, this may work for me. All right, so I guess in a few days, I'll tell you how it turns out, and then ultimately, this is have to be like a 1 year follow-up video to make sure it really works through the test of time, that it'll sit in the roof through hot and cold, and it actually works. Okay, thanks for listening. Brisker out.